It only takes 10 seconds until he is as hard as iron. But this isn't some shady pill or sketchy powder. This is a centuries-old natural recipe, hidden in plain sight, that even modern science is starting to acknowledge, and once you know it, you'll never go back. Imagine an ancient warrior about to face battle. No drugs, no supplements, just raw energy flowing through his veins, thanks to a simple concoction passed down by his tribe. That same mixture, once lost to time, is now being rediscovered by men who want real, lasting results, not just temporary fixes. 1. Start with 1 teaspoon of raw honey, not just for sweetness, but because it increases nitric oxide in the blood, which relaxes blood vessels and boosts circulation. 2. Add a pinch of ground cayenne pepper. Why? Capsaicin in cayenne ignites thermogenesis, your body's heat production, which directly increases testosterone levels. 3. Squeeze in half a lemon. The vitamin C not only supports testosterone production, but it lowers cortisol, a stress hormone that kills libido and energy. 4. Stir in a small piece, about the size of your thumb, of fresh ginger, grated. This root has been scientifically proven to boost sperm motility and testosterone by up to 17% in just 30 days. This isn't just about performance, it's about confidence, dominance, and energy. Men who drink this 10-second tonic report morning would like, when they were teenagers, stronger workouts, and even clearer thinking. The best part? It's all natural. No side effects. No embarrassing pharmacy runs. Now here's where it gets wild. Tribes in Africa and parts of Asia have used variations of this for generations, not only to improve virility, but also to increase focus before hunts. When scientists studied them, they were shocked at the hormone levels these men naturally carried. Drink this once in the morning on an empty stomach, and again 30 minutes before any activity. But don't just chug it, savor it. Feel it light a fire in your chest. Most men report a difference after just the first try, and by the 3rd day, the effects multiply. So here's your challenge. Try this for 7 days. No excuses. No pills. No awkward side effects. Just raw, natural power from ingredients you probably already have at home. This isn't hype. It's history rediscovered. Now you know the recipe. Don't let this just be another video you scroll past. Try it. Experience the change for yourself. And when you feel that surge of power in just 10 seconds, you'll know why this was never meant to be a secret.